Hello everyone. So we need to solve this question. X raised to power x is equal to 1 upon 2 whole power under root 2. We need to find the value of x. Okay. So here are some basic rules for exponents, basic laws of exponents. So what do we need to do? First of all, we will use this rule. Okay. We have under root 2. And under root 2 can be written as under root 2 into under root 2 upon under root 2. Okay. This means we can write it as 2 multiply 1 by root 2. Okay. So if we apply this here, what can we get? This is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power. This is under root 2 and under root 2 is 2 multiply 1 upon under root 2. Okay. So x raised to power m raised to power n is x raised to power mn. That means mn can be written as x raised to power m raised to power n. That means we can write it as 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 whole power 1 upon root 2. Okay. This means 1 upon 4 raised to power 1 upon under root 2. Okay. Now we have 1 upon under root 2. We can write it as 1 upon 2 raised to power 1 by 2. Okay. So that means 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power 1 upon 2 into 2. Okay. And 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 1 by 2. Okay. We know these two facts, this and this. So first of all, we will use this fact. Here is equal to 1 upon 4 raised to power. This is 1 upon root 2. That means 1 upon 2 raised to power 1 upon 2. Okay. 1 upon 2 raised to power 1 upon 2. That means we have 1 upon 4 raised to power. Now this is 1 by 2. Okay. And this 1 by 2 can be written as this. Okay. So we can write it as 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 1 by 2. Okay. And this is whole power 1 by 2. Okay. So this is 1 upon 4 raised to power. This is 1 upon 4. And power of power can be multiplied. So this is 1 upon 4. So we had x raised to power x raised to power x, and we got 1 upon 4 raised to power 1 upon 4 raised to power 1 upon 4. This implies x is equal to 1 upon 4. Thank you for watching. If you like it, share it and subscribe it.